The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
YouTube now.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I have a video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? But before I leave that video with you, I want to talk to you about the video that I just presented to you. Yeah? That video is not really a long video, but you know, that video is getting a little buzz on social media. You see me? Now, that video shows a person carrying a bag of cement with his teeth. You see me? Now, whether you want to call it teeth or teeth, you see me? The video shows this person carrying a bag of cement with his teeth. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me tell you this. You see me? I think it is dangerous. You see me? There is so much health risk I see when I look at that video. You understand? I mean, you know, I look at the video and I'm saying, yo, this person might injure his neck. You understand? Or this person can cause damage to his teeth. You see me? I said? And this is not the first video I see on social media when someone uses their teeth to lift a bag of cement. No, this is not the first video. You see me? With the video that I just presented to you, this is going to make the third video I see on social media, you know, where someone used their teeth to lift a bag of cement. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I would like to say this to each and everyone out there. Do not try this at home. Do not do it. You understand? It can be dangerous to lift a bag of cement with your teeth. Who knows? Maybe other health risk is there. You understand? But viewers and subscribers, I'm telling you this, and this is my opinion and my point of views. I'm telling each and everyone out there that I wouldn't do it, and I would like to advise persons out there that they should not do something like that. You see me? But anyways, this video is being talked about on social media. You see me? I'm going to have to say big up and respect to that person that do that thing carrying the cement with his teeth. You understand? Yeah, I hope he's okay and alright. And you know, just as a big up to him. And don't do it again. You understand? Don't do it again. Alright, but big up and respect yourself. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a video with you, and this video is going to show when a person who goes by the nickname of Necktie Jellyman. You see me? Yeah, Necktie Jellyman. And I want to say big up to each and everyone within the place that is known as Montego Bay, that is of the parish of St. James, that's of the country of Jamaica. You see me? Yeah, I want to say big up and respect to Necktie Jellyman. You see me? Yeah, Necktie. This video is going to show Necktie Jellyman in Mellow FM studio with Ron Mouchette. Yeah? Ron Mouchette. You know, sometimes I kind of feel like I don't get the pronunciation of Ron Mouchette's last name correct. But however, you know, this video shows the Necktie Jellyman in Mellow FM studio with Ron Mouchette and other persons as well. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, now viewers and subscribers, this video shows the person who goes by the name of Necktie Jellyman talking about some things that he did, you see me? And he also said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that he somehow got the queen to drink the water of the jelly from him. You see me? Or you could say, you know, he said that he got the queen to drink jelly from him. Now, I'm only telling you according to how I understand some of the things that he had said. You see, viewers and subscribers, you see me? And if he actually got the Queen of England to drink the water of a jelly from him, I think that is amazing. You see me? Yeah, and that is if he actually did it. You understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, here I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear the things that he said. And you can also let me know what you think about this video, and you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you that shows the person carrying the bag of cement with his teeth. You see me? You can let me know if you disagree with what he did or what. You understand? And here I'm going to leave the video with you right about now. You see me? This video is going to show the Necktie Jellyman. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Can you introduce myself to the people? Them
Yeah,
in
introduce
Jamaica?
yourself, now, man.
Yeah, man, I'm me, man. Liquor Juby, Tender Slice, God Sinclair, aka Akeem, Tender Slice, www.jelly.com to the world, man. World we known.
Jeez, see there.
But you know easy at all.
See there
After
now.
all of the introduction we go through for yourself, I know you know say necktie jelly man. So
It's a necktie jelly,
me
man.
not hear
but
that
to
part. Go on again. Go
yeah,
on,
man, I say aka Akeem, Tender Slice, necktie jelly.
No, you never said no necktie jelly man. Go on again. Introduce yourself again. Let me hear your necktie.
Yeah,
jelly.
man, and me, man.
Eh.
Juby, God, Sinclair, necktie jelly man to the world.
All right.
aka Akeem Tender Slice. And my last name that.
Akeem Tender Slice.
Tender
Yeah,
slice.
Tender Slice.
Wow, you know, where you come from,
Yes.
jelly, necktie jelly man?
From Mount Salem I come from, you know.
Oh, you sell it man?
Yeah, Crawford Street.
So long in a jelly business now, sell
You
coconut.
know, so
man.
36 years from 1983, me had reached around Moshet.
Eh, you sell jelly?
Yeah.
So from the time you wear necktie?
Me make that from about 1989.
Eh, so how much tie fees you have, your own? What necktie?
When me just fly out, came and go buy necktie around Moshet.
Eh, so how much tie fees you have right now as a man who love tie?
Well, by the time I go to my closet necktie, me go to my closet around Moshet.
Eh.
I'm come so. Come got one closet full of necktie. When me say, me have a closet full of necktie. Not even necktie, ambition string.
Jesus.
Yeah, no.
Ambition.
So we understand that you've been going around the city fixing the roads lately.
Well, I just my thing that in around Moshet, because sometimes I keep out of my bed, I go up on my boulevard, you know. When I South Street, I'm going, you know, I see the pothole them. I'm come through with all the jelly oaks, I'm get some black, some building black, and broke them up. After we broke them up, I put in my pothole. Me just throw jelly oaks move right, that's in the punch.
Yeah, because when you use the jelly ox, it make a car drive sweet, you know, man.
Yeah, because you have no catch me, no people them can't take a punch with the black them.
Thank you, man.
Me just put the jelly oaks move right, and some people see me a litter the street.
No, you're not on the street, you fix the pothole them.
You know see it?
So police trouble you? To fix the pothole them?
We not the police and they must drive past and see me they fix the patrol them in the night. Then just drive past one Moshet and draw one side.
And say jelly, man.
I mean, I just block the road, you know. With my Jamaica flags tonight, you know.
Eh?
And they just draw one side and see me fix the patrol and I say, good road, jelly man, good road, jelly man.
So you're a hero in the city of Montego Bay, man?
You don't see it?
Necktie jelly, man.
Me not get a dollar for no one in Run Moshet.
Eh?
Me must say some left for me think this man can show if you read out. But don't you read the little one now?
You read out like one
Yeah, because the big one, me not get the big one, me left it on my
All right, people. This is business card. It says Necktie Jelly Man, God Sinclair, otherwise called Akeem Tender Slice, the most refreshing jellies, parties, stage shows available. So people can book you.
What you mean, man?
I never know say they can book into
And they
yourself.
can't call me number for the number, the man. Look at the number.
Oh, if you want to book Necktie Jelly Man to come at your place with jelly, you call. Which one the number? 878-8202. You know, you're taking things serious like Sambo.
And what do you run?
No, I just realized no
What
jelly
my
man.
name? Necktie jelly man.
Yeah, God Sinclair, Akeem Tender Slice. Available for any events, parties, stage shows, weddings, even church.
You don't see it?
Call him 878-8202 or 783-5886.
86.
783-5886 or 878-8202.
No call the phone number then. No call the phone number because Mr. no answer it.
No, your phone number, the way you do the phone number.
What the hell am I going in?
No, where you do the phone number.
Mr. no answer it.
Mr. No.
Mr. my personal
What you
lady.
Oh,
say?
your assistant. Are you person? Are you your
Personally,
wife?
say
Yeah, my wife,
personal
yes,
lady.
Okay. But all right, we're not
Big up
talking.
Diana still because,
Dinah, your other wife.
yeah, Diana first wife.
Okay. Me not get
Someday I go on
that
entanglement.
jelly man.
You don't see it?
Me not getting that. Me not
That's
getting
so
that.
Yeah, man, big up, can big up some people
Yeah,
around
quickly,
Moshe.
quickly, yeah, man,
Yeah,
go
big
on.
up Pinter, big up
Pinto Chocoberry.
Shakaberry, Lucaras.
Yes.
But them call him Dunga Bay.
Don't have beer.
Big up that everybody don't work for no fire station right now.
Yeah, you know fire station look like a hotel though.
Me I tell you around Moshe, you want to see picture of them?
No, me not want to see no picture.
Alright, you want to know.
Me want to go over there with
You
them.
want to know around Moshe, but introduce a jelly style.
Yeah,
Yeah, one boy. Rhythm, give me a look at rhythm.
What
Give me
you
a
say?
rhythm.
Yeah, go on.
Acapella.
Yeah, Acampegla. Go on,
Acapella.
Yeah, Acampegla.
Watch out.
Yeah.
You hear one boy, them a chat about the jelly man done. I like them a tell the jelly man can't do me up jelly pan tree and jelly jelly there you grow. And jelly in my office and jelly. Chapter 2. When you have a boy chat about high school jelly and me have jelly in a reggae, jelly in a opera, jelly in a sauce and jelly in a scale, jelly in a pineapple and jelly in a guava. That jelly what me got, say me no member. And me sell Ninja Man being a man na shaba. Chapter 3. You ever see the jelly man? And me in a belly chop jelly for Kenny Rogers and Ali Saki.
Stop it right there, so.
Alright,
You're too bad.
No. You're
too bad, you know.
God bless you, man. You did this guy,
Stella.
8202 or 783-5886. Order your jelly today.
All right. Boy. No, sir.
Wait, hold on. You serve Alicia Keys jelly?
You say what the queen jelly, all the other keep me say me go jazz and blues.
Yeah.
The first time I got came man, you know.
Yeah.
Then cause up city center. Big up Mr. Mazuka. I bet me come show this man me recommendation, me left down my office. When they come see me, I see them jacket suit. They say, Necktie jelly man, you got the passport, I tell them piece of the forgot came man. And my passport me have. And right away them book me. I say, jelly man, the queen I come back here man, I come chop some jelly for the queen.
You came and go chop jelly for your queen?
Over there run my shit man, what my name?
So we queen say when you get her jelly?
The first time I stay, so take a picture here. The first
Oh, sit down now. He can't kneel, man.
stay, so I'm bend down, so I put a jelly on my head. I put a straw in it. And the queen drink out of the jelly on my head. Me get 7 year because of that me get 7 year work permit that Cayman Island.
Alright. The man thing global.
Your thing global.
What thing?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance Skiller! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skiller! You are watching Dance Skiller Entertainment.